Well, this is going to be an amazing experience. So I'm now actually outside of New York City. I'm now in New Jersey, in fact. And that's because I'm now going to take part in one of the most epic and incredible experiences you can do if you ever visit New York City. And that's to take a flight with the company called FlyNYON, New York on Air. And you might have seen it on social media and Instagram and Facebook and all these, and YouTube and all that stuff. But yeah. Essentially, if you don't know what it is, it's actually a helicopter flight with the doors off and there's no doors, so you can stick your feet out. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm all checked in for the flight now. As you can tell, I've got a lot of harnesses on because I'm all brightened up. Yeah, I've got cameras here and I'm on the phone because the midget can't come with me because it's not got any harnesses on it. Yeah, so it's going to be fun. And best of all, I got upgraded from a 15-minute flight to a 30-minute flight. So gonna get even more shots for you guys. So guys, we're on the helipad now. Here's our Bell, the Jet Ranger 206. Yeah, and best part is, I get to fly in the co-pilot seat. I get to fly shotgun. Yeah, so we're going to take off here. We're going to leave into Newark's control space and go for a 30-minute flight over into Midtown and down to Downtown. So let's go! Guys, I just got off the aircraft. Holy cow, that was amazing. I'm on cloud 9. That was incredible. Yeah, but now I'm rushing off to JFK because I am always a little bit late because I'm running late for my flight, and that's my fault for choosing an upgrade. Yeah, that was a wonderful time, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little flight around New York. And if you did, thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.